Hey, what's going on, you guys? It's Brandon from BlazeTech here, and in today's video we're going to be going over how you can get better performance depending on your system. Obviously, I haven't got the most high-end spec system. I haven't got a 3090, I haven't got a 3080, I haven't even got a 3000 or 2000 series graphics card. I haven't got an i9. I'm putting it out there, but you can test your performance still, and we're going to go through that today. I'm recording with OBS, so things might be a bit slower than real-time performance. Normally I'd use Shadowplay, but my Shadowplay is being a little bit stupid. But no, other than that, we're going to be recording and testing out CyberPunk 2077, and yes, there are bugs, graphics wise, and like glitches happening here and there, but other than that, all that jargon, the game actually hasn't been performing that bad for me, as I've seen on like Reddit or YouTube or something like that. And if you can hear the cars outside, forgive me, I can't control cars, surprisingly. But other than that, we'll jump into a video of CyberPunk 2077 with the testing on my personal rig. Now, if you don't know what my personal rig is, there should be some description in the link below, and there Amazon links all my different gadgets and stuff. Not gadgets, hardware in my system. But I'm pretty sure I've got an i7-7700K, as well as a GTX 1070 or 1060, I believe. I'll put a caption. I'll put a text up here if I get that wrong. But we are running at 16 gigabytes of RAM. I believe running at 2666 megahertz, I believe. But we are going to be going from low settings up to the high settings, then my current settings, which are custom made. And yeah, no, other than that, chat, we'll get going. Alright, so we are in the game, and we are currently at 60 FPS only because we are in just the menu, and currently we're in the desert because I just completed a mission with, I believe his name is Sukimura, Suki something. But anyway, we're going to go to settings, go to graphics, and we're going to be going from custom to low to see how this goes. We'll test out for a couple of minutes, see what frames we're getting. I'm not going to change anything at all, and unfortunately I can't do ray tracing or DLSS because that is a 2000 and a 3000 series graphics card thing, which I don't have because I have a 10 series graphics card. I mean a 1000 series graphics card. So we'll run with this, see how it goes, and just say resume. I'm going to call my vehicle because I want to drive to the city. And yeah, no, so actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to uncap it. So if I find my VSync, if I can find it. VSync off, maximum FPS off, running at full screen 1920 by 1080, apply that. I don't even know if you guys can hear the game, but currently we are running about 66, 65. Let's drive to the city, see if we got any difference. All the other mission stuff I'm just going to ignore for now. But currently, I'm actually gonna switch it to daytime. I just forgot we do that. Oh, found it. Skip time. Like 9 hours. Yeah, there you go. So currently running at between 65 and 72 FPS. Mainly hovering at the 65 mark. Well, it really depends if you're doing gunfights or not. I'm not going to do gunfights because I'm recording for particular stuff. However, I think seeing the city and seeing all the people and seeing all the NPCs and all that, it's a lot more graphically intensive and CPU intensive. But at the same time, do consider that we are running OBS as well. So that'd be a factor. See, now we're dipping into the 50, 58. I'm gonna ignore the one's cool.
The information from Okada-san, very valuable. I also learned something through my own efforts. We must meet.
Where will it be this time? Trash processing plant.
Let's skip
Deserted
this.
end-cart
I don't think I
station.
can skip this.
In the
So
south
now we're
of
running low
Chinatown,
40s,
there is a
high
street market.
30s.
It is on the footbridge above
With
the main
NPCs
street.
popping in and all of that.
Use the elevators.
Where can we'll go to like the center of the city.
It is easy to get lost. I am on my way there. Do not make me wait.
So as you can see, we're getting about 60-ish frames when we're dipping into the low 50s, sometimes even 40s, and going all the way up to the possible 70s. But no, we are going to change these settings now to medium and see how that does. I honestly don't think my computer's going to perform that well. So that this is going to be medium.
There's a new sword in Hayward.
Oh,
Must
yeah,
be better.
big difference. I can feel it without even looking.
Nice
So
to meet you.
I like people.
now, unfortunately, we're running like
We'll be in touch.
the low 20s, and it's just
You don't know me, but you will. Name's Dino. Deal with
Dino, I
downtown
don't care
city
right
center.
V.
Yeah, I
can
know.
we just hang up on
What
Dino?
about you?
I don't want to talk
Hot
to
stuff.
Dino.
Need anything, you call me. Remember, Dino knows everybody.
So yeah, medium settings on my current rig, not going that well. Yeah, now 40s, mainly because like you got all this area which is blank. Then if you look this way, you have like lens flare and all that, thanks to the sun. Now we're running at like good 50, but as soon as we get back down here, I bet you it's going to jump back down to like late, like mid 40s, high 30s, I assume. So we're already jumping back into the 40s. Oh yeah, I'm just gonna go this way. So I can't need 40s, 50s. So medium settings it handles, but doesn't do that well. I can feel it being chuggy. But that's mainly because my graphics card. My CPU is fine. It's just my graphics card. Alright, we are going to now turn it to high settings. Yeah, we got one more, which is ultra. Ultra, yeah. So currently we're going to do high. Did that apply it? It did. Cool. Okay. Our settings didn't change that much, which is good. Can these people stop calling me?
You hear Pacifica call and you make sweet love to me.
Can you guys not call me?
Well, it's like I said. Whatever you're peddling, the BTBS are just not in the market. But they have another task that needs doing, so I volunteer you. Do it well, and you'll get your audience with Brigitte.
Okay. Who do I talk to and how?
Hit the chapel on slow.
Oh
Look for
yeah,
the
now
altar
we're hitting
inside.
below 30s.
Someone will touch you,
Ugh.
nod you.
And the motion blur right now is so bad.
Got it. Thanks.
Like, you can definitely tell on the recording. That's not going so well. Oh, it's so... Ugh. It actually hurts my eyes. It's disgusting. Alright. I'm gonna start looking at stuff. If you see shakiness, it's because my, Johnny's trying to take it to... Ow, I just got hit. Douchebag. So, currently running 40s, which is okay right now. But at the same time, you gotta consider that not much is happening. So, high settings, for some reason we're getting about 40s. If you're going in gun battles, I guarantee you go to 20s. We'll just see what this does. I thought I was going to kill my computer. Nothing yet. I need my car to come to me, or my bike. Oh yeah, no, we're getting low 40s. And the motion blur is hideous. Actually, I want to take this dude's car. Get it. So currently running low 30s. Out, crap, I just went over civilian, I'm sorry. I still can't dive in this game. Yeah, so running low 30. I guarantee if we got to more intensive areas and gunfights, it'd be 20s, 15s, I'm pretty sure even. But 30 FPS is not really playable. Like, you can play it, but it's not. Like, you want to go for 60s. 60s are nice. But no. So, currently, low settings are about 60s, which is good. 75. Mediums about, what is that? About 60s, 50s. Going to ultra, high was like low 40s, 30s, and if it's ultra, it's like 30s, 25s, pretty much unplayable, and it's definitely out of reach out of my with my GPU. My GPU definitely doesn't like it. I'm sure of that. Right, so we're gonna need these custom settings for my particular graphics card. So what I did is I turned all of these off, and I don't know what I had that on, but I put that on medium. No, I put that on low, put that on medium, low, medium. I put that on medium, low, medium. Ray tracing I can't do, like I said, DLSS I can't do. And we'll go back. These are my settings with my current rig. And we're back to the high 40s. And it doesn't look too bad. I've been currently running this because I don't want the game to look terrible. That's the thing. I care about aesthetics as well as performance. I like both. Well, no, I don't mind running this game at the 40s. I've played like 40 hours of it, and I've gotten used to it. However, it has got its moments where it does dip down to the low 20s, 30s. I could play the whole thing on low settings, but is that because I have motion blur on? Turn motion blur off. It's a little bit, if you jig around your mouse very quickly, it really kills your computer. Even if I turn it to low settings with motion blur off, it still kills your computer. So yeah, so don't jig your mouse like a loony thing. But no, other than that, that's pretty much it. I like my settings of 40s. If you got a low-end system, you can play the game at 30s. I consider my system a low-end system. In my next I haven't got mine to upgrade, sadly. Truth be told, whatever it is. But no, if you want to get this game on a low-end system, you can play it on low. If you got a higher-end system, or you got a 2000 graphics card, then you can definitely play it on medium or even high settings. But no, hope this was a bit helpful. Once again, I have an i7-7700K processor. I did not overclock it. It's at stock, and I do have a NVIDIA GTX. I believe it's a 1060 or a 1070. I'll put it on a text thing on screen. But no, that I hope this video kind of helped you on a sort of low-end system. But other than that, this is Brandon from BlazeTech. Remember to like and subscribe to the video, as well as check out any other videos, as well as tap the notification bell to know when my next video is up, papa. And we are currently releasing 3 videos a week. But now, other than that, I have socials: Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, on screen, as well as link in the description if you're on mobile.